Question number 24. The energy levels for an atom are shown here. Okay. E1, E2, E3. The photon of wavelength lambda is emitted because of a transition from E3 to E2. So here there is a photon emitted of wavelength lambda. Which transition leads to emission of a photon of longer wavelength? I want lambda to be larger. Okay. We know that lambda is equal to hc divided by delta E. What is delta E? Delta E is the energy difference, right? So which is, where is the energy difference? What do you mean by that? See, this is energy difference, you get a lambda here. If I consider delta E to be smaller, lambda would be high. Let me write down. Lambda would be high if delta E is small. What is that we need here? We need a photon of longer wavelength. So that's what we need. So where do we get delta E smaller? See, here it is larger. So here if you look at E4 to E1 larger, very high, right? So this will correspond to minimum wavelength. Now in a similar way, if I take between these two, this is very small here, right? So therefore this will correspond to a maximum wavelength. So therefore the answer should be E4 to E3. E4 to E3, which is this option B. Okay, let us move on to the next one.